Hi, I'm Connie Romanek, speech language pathologist at Communicate. And in this video, I want to share with you some of the articulation or the speech work that you can do with our Super Sentences Speech and Language Learning Kit. Now, this kit is a beautiful marriage between the language that's expected for a 5 or a 6-year-old and the speech that's expected for a 5 or a 6-year-old. So can they express a message using all the right words and grammar, along with using all the right speech sounds? That is what this kit can really help you do. See if they've managed to put everything together as they move forth in their academic learning and their reading and writing. All of it is so important. That oral language and the speech production for phonics, it's all here for you to help them really get to that step that they need to progress in their academic learning. So in this kit, it is sprinkled. The items were carefully selected to sprinkle some of those later developing sounds around and make sure that they can produce them in their expressive language. So we've got items in there here that will have S blends like store, school, scooter, baskets, ice cream. We've got a few items in here that contain the SH sound. So the word milkshake has SH in the middle, she, push. We have some items in here that contain the ch sound, couch, chocolate, what else? French fries, kitchen, as in the kitchen table. We've got some items in here that contain the L sound, even L blends as in blanket, and L medial in pillow, and L initial in Liz and Leo. Liz, of course, has that final Z sound, as does, we've got the Z right here on their blankets to point out and practice Z as the sleeping sound. Is even a bit of a literacy activity. And of course, it's been cut with zigzags. So there's several opportunities to practice that. And there are a few words in here that are 3-syllable words as well. So making sure that children can sequence 3 syllables together and maintain that clear speech production. Words like banana, hamburger, pineapple. All of this is really going to come together to bring the language system together with the speech system and make them perfect little communicators. So I hope that gives you a few ideas of what you can do speech-wise with this kit. Thank you so much for listening. I look forward to seeing you again soon.